Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Infinix Note 40 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, in the first step we must open Settings application, where we choose SIM cards and network, their data usage and their package setup. First, your package provided for maybe 1 month. The first day of when our package start, maybe first day of each month, and there we can set our limit. We can set there our custom number, maybe 15 gigabytes, megabytes, what you need and prefer. We confirm it and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.